Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Niley!
So for today's vlog, manonood pa rin tayo ng naging performance ng isa sa mga delegates for Binibining Pilipinas 2024 sa kanilang naging preliminary competition. This time ay papanoorin natin ang naging performance ni Phoebe Godinez from Lapu-Lapu, Cebu. And without any further ado, let's watch this!
Binibini
Hello.
26.
Diyosa.
Gondo!
In the splendor of the Perlas of Bulacan, 25-year-old Binibini can't help but feel like royalty.
Lang ganda niya!
With pearls as pure as her intentions and diamonds as
Na
sparkling
parang
as
nakasuot
her
ng
wings.
ganyang gown si Gazini
She's
dati pero ibang
legend in
kulay
her
lang.
own
No?
right. This
Ang
gown
ganda nung
is
sa
a
kanya na
timeless
white
trend,
lang and then
beauty,
red
and timeless
lipstick.
allure of Filipino
Tapos
nobility.
textures lang, details lang din talaga. Tsaka hugging lang din sa figure niya. Ang ganda. Gusto ko yung naka-attach sa ano niya, sa wrist niya. Nakadagdag siya dun sa...
Pero hindi nakakadagdag ng pagka-social or pagka-elegante yung background music.
Binibini 26. Lapu-Lapu City,
Napaka-oldies na music.
Or baka meron siyang significance.
Siguro. Hindi
Pero
natin
hindi ko
alam.
maintindihan. Pero anyhow, yung performance niya, maganda. You know, Diyosa lang siya, ganda-gandahan. Color white is a good choice for her na wala nang ibang nakakita, kundi yung color white lang na gown and then yung kanyang red lipstick, tsaka yung ganda niya lang.
Oo.
Yung mukha.
Sa akin, hindi naman kasi siya simple as simple. It's actually very elegant white na puti siya pero may mga, alam mo yun, textures
Yung
and
details,
patterns,
oo.
details. Yun yung nagpamahal sa kanya sa look niya eh.
26. Phoebe Godinez.
Kadaugan, translated to victory, is a Filipiniana silhouette with the story of a hero. Inspired by the historic Battle of Mactan, home of our country's first hero, Datu Lapu-Lapu, Kadaugan's kalasag shield on the sleeves and the Kampilan sword headpiece speak of the bravery and unity of the historic chieftain and his warriors, while its red and yellow colors with a Magellan's cross on the armor represent the arrival of Christianity in the Philippines during the Spanish colonial period, which marked a pivotal moment in the history of the Philippines. Finally, the golden sun encapsulates the quintessential Filipino spirit of resilience, courage, and unyielding determination, rising above any adversity. Designer, Rams Diacoma.
Binibini 26. Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu.
I mean, hindi ko siya masyadong feel. Ito yung klase ng, para lang, opinion ko lang naman na parang, para siyang national costume na, alam mo yun, ang daming story, pero hindi ko na masyadong nakikita dun sa suot niya.
Kumbaga at a glance, hindi mo halata kung ano yung ibig sabihin.
Tapos, I don't know, yung nakakita ko dun sa sun is like, ano kaya meaning nun, bakit 7 rays lang? Kasi yung race ng, talaga yung may meaning sa flag natin is 8, diba? If I'm not mistaken. Like ganun. And then yung parang sasabihin na, wala, hindi ko talaga siya feel. Pero yung gown niya maganda. Pero itong naging national costume niya, parang okay pa yung nasa video. Pero nung parang nirampa niya na, tapos biglang ang daming kwento, ang daming detalye na gano'n na, alam mo yun, ang ganda, parang pagpapakinggan mo lang yung kwento ng national costume, parang ang ganda, napaka-historic. Pero pag tinignan mo yung costume, sorry, pero yung itsura niya, mukha siyang pang-cosplay lang na costume outfit, ganyan yung dating niya sa akin.
Pero we don't have anything about cosplay kasi cosplay can do complex talaga na sobrang ganda.
It's a form of art It's a form of art. Pero parang pang cosplay siya na hindi siya yung pang national costume, yung datingan niya talaga.
Sige, let's try to dissect. Kasi yung sobrang simple but elegant, kasi sobrang yung mga details on the right parts. Ito naman kasi, yung national costume niya, may details siya pero kumbaga wasak. Hindi siya na compose ng maigi. When it comes to tawag dito, yung silhouette niya, hindi rin halata kung paano yung silhouette niya kasi may mga...
Tsaka paano naging Filipinian na talaga yung silhouette daw.
Oo.
Diba? Parang ganun.
Tapos, tawag dito, yung halata kasi sa camera yung material na ginamit, which is foam. Which looks cheap, ganun. So, maganda yung...
Ano yung gat naman, pero opinion lang naman yun.
Maganda yung kumbaga yung vision siguro, pero level up pa siguro sa execution
And materials na gagamitin para mas magmukhang realistic and alam mo yun, mas magmukhang may dating.
Kumbaga maglagay ng levels of complexity, maging mas 3D siya rather than flat.
So yun guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan nyo naman kami sa nagdaang vlog. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next upload.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming, so keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!